In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs V3. Let's dive right in. First of all, you'll want to open up your web browser. Just make sure it's one you're comfortable with and that it's updated for the best user experience. Don't worry about which browser specifically, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, any of these will work just fine. Once your browser is open, you'll want to proceed to your preferred search engine. Here, type in ElevenLabs login and hit enter. This should take you directly to the ElevenLabs website, or at least give you a link to navigate there. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. For those who have previously signed up, simply enter your credentials and log in. After you've successfully logged in, look for the section labeled Text to Speech. This is where you'll find the tools you need. It should be straightforward to spot from the main dashboard. Once there, pause for a moment to ensure you're using the V3 model. This step is quite crucial, as V3 is the version designed with the latest updates and features. You'll find this information usually in the Settings or About section. Just double-check to be certain you're in the right spot. Now, onto the essential part, adding your prompt and including any relevant tags. Make sure your prompt is clear and concise. This is the text you wish to convert into speech. Tags can be useful for organization or for setting specific parameters for the voice output. It's entirely up to you how you wish to use them, but they can be quite handy for refining the speech generation process. Next, it's time to select a voice. ElevenLabs offers a diverse range of voices, so take a moment to explore the options available. Choose one that best suits the tone and style you're aiming for. Once you're happy with your selection, hit Generate Speech. This is the exciting part where your text is transformed into lifelike audio. After a few moments, your audio will be ready. It's a good idea to give it a listen before proceeding, just to ensure it meets your expectations. If everything sounds good, locate the download button. By downloading the file, you get the flexibility to use it offline whenever you need it, which is a huge advantage. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the ElevenLabs V3 platform and produced your very own text-to-speech audio. With a bit of practice, this process will become second nature. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and voices to see just how versatile this tool can be. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.